Let's look at this example. A population of Protozoa develops with a constant relative growth of 0.7944 per member per day. On day 0, the population consists of 2 members. Find the population size after 6 days. So first of all, the most important is the theorem that we just discussed in the previous video. This y of t is equal to y of 0 times e raised to power kt. And if you need more clarification, please watch my previous video. So what we have, population, right? You can write y as function of p, right? P of t develops with a constant relative growth of 0.7. Constant relative growth. That means we have k is given 0.7944 per member per day. On day 0, right? What we have already, what's there? Population on day 0 consists of 2 members is equal to 2. So now what we have is, just plug in the values here, right? 2 times e to the k is 0.7944 times t. Find the population size after 6 days. Now we have given that t is equal to 6. So p of 6 is equal to, simply plug in the values, right? Times 6. And now just bring your calculators, plug in some numbers in the exponential function. 0.7944 times 6. So the answer that I have from the calculator is 234.999099, right? And how can you write this as? Round up the values. So this is 235. The population size after 6 days is going to be 235 members. Thanks for watching.